tree. Hello. Hello. Do you have some new tricks today? Yeah? You're 3 months now. And you're getting bigger and bigger. Say hi. Hi. So cute. Yeah. Yeah. You're so kulit na. Abigail? Abigail. Abigail, come here. Yeah, look here. See? You keep on picking yourself. You're at the edge of that swing na. Hi, Abigail. Do you want to sit down? You're trying yourself to sit down? Yeah? Hi. Hello. Say hi. Yeah.